welcome to my channel. I was just talking about this in my kind of wrap up of Tuesdays in the Attic, and I realized I had never shown anybody this yet. Just in case anybody else was interested in maybe looking for it next year, or if she has any more in the shop, which let me go check. But this was Shadnee's kit. Okay, I had to make sure I hadn't shown you guys this yet. It's kind of been a whirlwind of not really doing a lot over the last few weeks because of Christmas vacation and things, but also doing a lot. I don't know. Yeah. My mind is overwhelmed. My mind is at ease, but my body's been doing a lot of things, so I don't know. It's been chaos in my own brain. So this was from Shadnee's shop. I'm going to look to see if she has any left so that I'm not. So this is a Christmas Advent scrapbook kit is what it's called. She still has some in stock. So if anybody is interested in getting them, they're in Shadnee's shop. I will have it linked down below. I'm going to leave a review because I love it. And she always throws in some extra goodies. This is super cute. She threw in some fall extra goodies just because she's Shadnee. And she has all these fun goodies. This turkey's adorable. So he can go on a page. And then she always does a little thank you note. And then extra goodies in there. Oh my gosh, there's squirrels. There are squirrels and lots of big, like, Thanksgiving sequins. So, yeah, I think I got this on Black Friday. So I got it for a discount, but it's awesome. So it's a Christmas Advent scrapbooking kit. So it basically is themed. So you could create, you could do a December daily with this because there's 25, or an Advent calendar. You could do create an Advent calendar, or what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep it as a bunch of Christmas embellishments. I still have not done a December album or project for this year. I had plans, and then as it approached, it just seemed really overwhelming. In general, I liked doing it in the past, but not to the point where I prep for it, and I just kind of took it easy this year. And we didn't do we did our usual things. So I'll still document those. So I might use it to document those things. But nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of what's in here. I'm not going to open every single one of them. But like this one was presents. So I'm not going to show you because I've used a bunch of the things in this one only. But this one's the Nutcracker. And so there are cut aparts. And this one has all the numbers, and then it says December 2022, so I'm going to use that for this year. But then I can show you in the back, there's some gems, and then there's Nutcracker, some embellishments, there's some stars, there's other things. Like I said, I'm not going to take it all out, but there's tons of good stuff in it. So Nutcracker, and these are all printed and I think designed by her, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that, but I'm guessing that's it. So this one's Baking Spirits Bright. So this one you can see almost everything. So there are sprinkles, sequin or like clay things that look like sprinkles, a red doily, some enamel dots that look like cookies, and then some paper, and then her wood veneer pieces that look like baking things. And then there's 2 cut apart sheets. This one shows a rolling pin, which I love because it has the journaling spots on it, the cookies, yep, and you can fussy cut all this stuff out. Festive wreath, reindeer games and candy canes. I love that. So if you are a family who likes to play games, there's like Monopoly money, there's tickets, there's a card in here, just fun stuff. Ugly sweater. You can decorate your own ugly sweater. Just got a felt ugly sweater, as well as some yarn, some sequins and clay things. And then these lovely tags. Poinsettias, Christmas shopping. This one's really cute. So there's all these wood veneer pieces of people. There's some fake money. There's a guest check. There's a little paper bag. These fussy cutting items. So if you document doing your Christmas shopping, Christmas lights. And then there's these cute lights and her wood veneer lights and things. the guy falling off the ladder. These are ornaments. I've taken things out and put them back in. So a bunch of fussy cuttable ones, and then like a felt tree, some wood veneer ornaments, some big gems and sequins. Ooh, some flat pearls. I didn't realize those were in there. That's cute. And then a doily. So things you can make pages with. Letter, a pencil, so envelopes, and I have my son's letter to Santa that I gotta. And then like this one's themed candy canes, so you can see all the fun little bibs and bobs that are in there. Some more 2022s that clearly I'm gonna have to use. Reindeer, and this one's Santa's reindeer, and this one's Gold Star, so it's just all gold items. This one's gingerbread friends, so we do a gingerbread house. Naughty or nice list, tons of fun things. There's some chunks of coal, silver bells, so this one's all silver items. This is gingerbread village. So actually we did a gingerbread village this year, so I might, and this is a big foam gingerbread, so you can have some fun dimension on your pages as well. So this is a big foam thing. You can fussy cut that out. This is all about hot cocoa. We're totally into hot cocoa. This is about getting the tree or the tree lot. We don't go get a tree, but this is about Santa, some acrylic ho-ho-hos, holly jolly. So you could build a bunch of different holly with some wood veneer leaves, big red buttons, some glittery ones, some sequins. Make a really good shaker pocket. Elf and Cute. This is Santa's elves, so for your kids. Or your naughty elf. Oh, I like the hat. And see, there's just a lot of good 3D sweet treats. So candy, which my son is obsessed with candy. And then like stockings. So it's fun. It's a lot of fun stuff. And then she threw in this lovely pen. And then, yeah, I got some extra little goodies for Thanksgiving. So I don't know if everybody gets that, but because it was Black Friday, I think that's why I got it. And it came all together in this giant bag. So this will just get stored with all my Christmas stuff. Yeah, I had major plans to do December daily and actually do it while it was happening because I can print my photos. And, you know, the time came and wasn't feeling it. And that's fine. That's fine. So there we have it. So there are still some of these in the shop, in Shadnee's shop. Make sure you go check it out. That is what is new in my world. I'll try to get a bunch of these videos done since I didn't do them in December. Because I know some of the other places that I ordered from have either had some great updates or are doing another sale or something so that you can kind of go get some of these things or are doing this. So check it out. Go to see Shadnee's shop. I'm just going to encourage you guys to buy in January when a lot of people are doing a spend and freeze because it was just Christmas. But there you go. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.